I'm gonna get my braces done. I'm scared. I was planning to go for braces from a very long time, and finally I got the guts to do so. What will happen if my college reopens? Actually, it's already open, but मैं नहीं गई. I'm going to Dentova Clinic, which is in Ulubari, Guwahati. ये पैंटलून्स के ऊपर वो रहा डेंटोवा क्लिनिक. यहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा. This is the clinic. जूता खोल के ये क्या है? What kind of a style is this?
Oh shit.
I'm scared like shit. So it's been a week since I got my braces. Those initial few days were worst than ever. It was really painful and मेरे मुंह में पूरे छाले हो गए थे. So I was not able to talk for a long time and I was not able to eat properly. Even now I'm not able to eat properly. Doctor ने मुझे कहा है that I should avoid biting things and eating hard foods like chicken leg piece or foods which we have to chew a lot. And these days I'm having soup, smoothies, khichdi, like watery wala khichdi. And basically, since I cannot chew anything because I have two bite blocks here, those are two solid things which are pasted. It actually doesn't allow my upper jaw and my lower jaw to meet. So basically, when I close my mouth, it's like this because one bite block is here, so it just doesn't meet. I hope you understand that. It kind of gives space to your teeth to move around, move to their not original places, move to their respective places जहाँ पे उनको होना चाहिए. I have 1 year in my hand, like my MTech is yet to be completed. So I thought कि MTech complete होते होते मेरा दांत भी सीधा हो जाएगा, and yeah, that's what I thought. The procedure was quite expensive. If you are planning to get braces on, I would suggest you to first consult 4-5 doctors. For me, I personally consulted 5 doctors. The first 3 were dentists and the last 2 were orthodontists, and it's very important to choose the right doctor for you. I have seen a lot of people who got dissatisfied with their braces. They have to redo it. Yes, it's always advisable to consult a proper orthodontist, not a dentist. And I do know a lot of things about braces now because every now and then I'm consulting with my doctors. Okay, the 5 dentists which I've consulted, the first one was from Ganeshpuri, second one was from Basishwar Charyali, the third one was from 6 Mile, the fourth one was from ABC Point, the fifth one is from this place, Ulubari. Yeah, I'm waiting for the final result. I hope it's worth it. I'm not able to pronounce sir properly because my jaw doesn't close properly now. Anyway, मेरा जो time period है braces का, my doctor said max to max 1.5 years होगा, plus minus 2-3 months. After all the process is done, मुझे retainer लगेगा जो fixed रहेगा for 6 months, and on top of that I'll also be provided with a removable retainer जो मुझे लाइफ टाइम के लिए लगाना है, लेकिन रात को ज़्यादातर, और हो सके तो पूरा दिन. अगर मैं बाहर जाती हूँ तो बेसिकली सिर्फ रात को ही लगाना है. आवर टीथ आर ऑलवेज मूविंग, ऑलवेज. आप लोगों ने नोटिस किया होगा कि कभी कभी किसी के दांत में गैप्स आ जाते हैं. दैट्स बिकॉज हमारा टीथ मूव करता रहता है. उसको पोजिशन में रखने के लिए वो रिमूवेबल रिटेनर लगाना ज़रूरी है, आई गेस. मतलब मैं यहाँ पे ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट बनने की कोशिश नहीं करना चाहती, बट ऐसा कुछ है तो आई थिंक यू शुड गो एंड कंसल्ट इट बिकॉज योर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इज एवरीथिंग. अब 5 जो क्लिनिक में गई थी, लाइक डेंटोवा इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट क्लिनिक जो मैं गई. मतलब मैं इसलिए नहीं कह रही क्योंकि मैं वहाँ पे गई हूँ, मैं इसलिए कह रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं वहाँ पे गई हूँ. लाइक द हाइजीन वॉज सो गुड। और मतलब जब मैंने बाकी 4 लोगों से कॉन्टेक्ट किया उसमें से एक डेंटिस्ट था, लाइक डेंटिस्ट नॉट ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट। वो जो डेंटिस्ट था ना, व्हाट ही डिड, he kind of examined my whole mouth, and then without taking the gloves off he started using his phone, and it just got me like, यार मतलब मैं कहाँ आ गई, like what is it doing, like he's transferring all this saliva का bacteria here and there. Leave it, I'm not gonna speak much about it. And if you're from Guwahati, definitely visit Dentova clinic, and he's like very strict regarding my treatment, he's very strict regarding appointments, तो मतलब इस डेट को बोला तो यहीं पे जाना पड़ेगा. Also I kind of trust this doctor, and I think तुम जिस भी orthodontist के पास जाते हो ये trust factor होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, because you know everything is dependent on his treatment and his experience. When you get the braces on, just make sure what kind of materials they're using on your teeth, because it should not be like non-branded stuff. I know non-branded stuffs are cheap, but you are not going to get the desired result if they use non-branded. So I went for the branded one. Even though it's metallic, they have certain ranges. Please do not go to a dentist for braces. Go to a proper orthodontist. You don't want to redo your braces, isn't it? Because you're going to go through all those pains for years, and you're going to waste a lot of time, energy on your braces, and afterwards when you see you didn't get the result, you have to redo it again. Nobody wants that, right? So starting से ही सही डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए. अपने एरिया में बहुत रिसर्च करनी पड़ेगी. For me, मैंने तो उसके एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड तक रिसर्च किया, एंड अभी मैं जिसके पास जा रही हूँ उसके पास 10 years of experience है. उन्होंने BDS और MDS बहुत एक अच्छे कॉलेज से किया हुआ है, कॉलेज में प्रोफेसर भी है, so that's a plus point. And मेरा पैर दर्द हो रहा है. Shit, I want to sit, guys. That was it. I don't know if I missed any point. If you want to know the review of each and every doctor, I cannot give you that. I think my next braces related video will be when I get it removed, which will be after 1.5 years. I really hope कि 1.5 years ऐसे निकल जाए. ऐसे कपड़ा या फिर प्रोडक्ट खरीदने से पहले इतना रिसर्च करते हैं हम, तो एक ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट चूज़ करने से पहले भी रिसर्च करना चाहिए. एंड डेंटिस्ट के पास मत जाना अगर ब्रेसेस के लिए जा रहे हो, तो ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट के पास जाना, प्रॉपर वाला. बहुत सारे फ्रॉड डॉक्टर्स भी होते हैं जो अपने आप को ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट बताते हैं. वैसे मुझे एक फ्रॉड डॉक्टर मिला था, उसने अपने नाम के बगल में ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट लिखा था, बट मैंने उसके बारे में बहुत सर्च किया, बहुत सर्च किया. फिर जाकर मुझे पता चला वो ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट नहीं है, वो एक नॉर्मल डेंटिस्ट है. उसने सिर्फ BDS किया है, उसने MDS नहीं किया है. अब मैंने उसको अपने लिस्ट से माइनस कर दिया. दैट्स इट. आई होप this video was informative. See you in my next video. Bye.